Your backyard is not just a garden. It is a silent, solar-powered chemical plant capable of detoxifying soil that engineers would need heavy machinery to fix. This is the power of phytoremediation, a niche science that uses specific plants to remove, stabilize, or degrade contaminants in soil and water. It is a sustainable, low-cost alternative to traditional excavation and chemical treatment. By understanding which plants hyperaccumulate heavy metals like lead, cadmium, or zinc, you can actively heal degraded land. From urban lots to home gardens, turning toxicity into fertility. This skill is useful, accurate, and legally safe to practice. It democratizes just botanical knowledge and patience. By mastering phytoremediation, you contribute to cleaner ecosystems, safer food sources, and a reduction in the carbon footprint associated with mechanical soil treatment. Let us explore how this works. Certain plants, known as hyperaccumulators, have evolved to absorb high concentrations of metals through their roots without dying. The process begins with identification. Test your soil for heavy metals. Common contaminants include lead from old paint or pipes and cadmium from industrial runoff. Once you know what is in the soil, you can select the right plant. Brassica juncea, or Indian mustard, is excellent for lead and cadmium. Helianthus annus, the common sunflower, absorbs uranium and lead. Alyssum montanum accumulates nickel. These are not random choices. They are biological filters engineered by evolution. The next step is planting. Plant these species densely in the contaminated zone. Ensure they receive adequate water and sunlight to maximize growth and uptake. The plants will draw the toxins from the soil into their tissues. This is where the math becomes interesting. Consider a trendy science question that offers a fresh perspective. If a single Indian mustard plant can absorb up to 1% of its dry weight in lead, and you plant 1,000 plants in a 100 square meter plot, each yielding 50 grams of dry biomass, how much lead is removed from the soil in one season? The calculation is straightforward. 1,000 plants multiplied by 50 grams of biomass equals 50,000 grams of total biomass. 1% of 50,000 grams is 500 grams. 500 grams of lead removed from the soil in one season. This simple calculation shows how biological systems can perform precise, scalable cleanup without industrial infrastructure. It is a quiet revolution in environmental science. The final and most critical step is harvesting. Do not compost these plants. The toxins are now in the plant tissue. Once they mature, harvest the biomass and dispose of it as hazardous waste, or incinerate it in a controlled facility to recover the metals. The soil is now cleaner. You have turned a toxic site into a healthy one. This process can be repeated over several seasons to achieve significant remediation. Phytoremediation is not just about cleaning soil. It is about reclaiming land. It is about healing the earth with the very life that grows from it. It is a testament to the resilience of nature and the ingenuity of science. By learning this skill, you join a growing community of individuals who are using knowledge to make the world a better place. You are not just gardening, you are restoring. You are improving, you are building a future where technology and nature work together in harmony. This is the promise of phytoremediation. It is a skill that is useful, niche, and genuinely transformative. It is a way to use science and math to solve real-world problems. It is a way to make a difference, one plant at a time. So look at your garden differently. See it not just as a source of food or beauty, but as a tool for change. With the right knowledge, you can turn even the most polluted soil into a thriving ecosystem. This is the power of gardening.